how you can get to your first 500 or even $1,000 per day with ClickBank affiliate marketing using faceless TikTok channels. So basically TikTok traffic. Now this can also be duplicated into Google ads, Facebook ads, or even YouTube ads. Okay, so it's not only about TikTok. So if you wonder, do you only need TikTok? No, you can also replicate the same thing with pay-per-click on Google. Okay, so let me show you. This is all faceless. As you can see, we're here 3,400. Now the amount, it's not important. What is important is to understand the traffic source, to have great offer that is proven to convert, and also the right landing page. Okay, I can also show you done for you landing page later, which is really high converting. Now let me show you how this works. Okay, over here, as you can see, let me go to TikTok. You can see in the last 7 days we had 220,000 views. Okay, so 220,000 views, 1,800 profile views, 21,000 likes, and 2,200 comments. Now in the last, let's say, let me go over here, 28 days, had 1.3 million video views. Now you can see why traffic is very important. Now you don't have to have any viral videos or show your face, okay? It doesn't matter. What you have to understand is this. In 2025, it's possible, it's still possible to make money online with ClickBank affiliate marketing, okay? But you have to understand who is your audience, what do they want, and giving them exactly that. Okay, so the outcome is very important on the timelines. Now, here when it comes to ClickBank affiliate marketing, look, let me show you over here, right? We have 12,000 comments. Engagement is very important with TikTok affiliate marketing. Why? Because it's all about buyer's intent. Okay, it's all about understanding deeper psychology of your market. For example, when people go on Google pay-per-click, on Google search, to get educated before they make a buying decision, or to buy the product. Only 2 reasons. Same thing with, for example, TikTok shop. They're already in buyer's mindset. Okay, very important, because people only buy when they are in the solution state. But first of all, if you're an affiliate on ClickBank or MaxWeb or with CPA affiliate, doesn't matter, you have to get people with your ads and with your, not only ad copy, but with your pre-sale copy on a landing page, if you're using ClickFunnels or any other website, to get them into the problem state first, and then move them through emotional states into the solution state where the sales are happening. Okay, that's very important. Now let me show you over here. You can reach out to me over here later on my Instagram. As you can see, I'm sharing everything over here. You can DM me. You have my WhatsApp number, email, Facebook group for free, and Messenger. You can reach out to me if you're serious, right? If you want to know more exactly how you can put this into the action. Now, let me go straight into it over here on ClickBank. You can see, right? Those are the products that you can promote in the health and weight loss space. Now, of course, you can go into law of attraction, self-help, manifestation, info products, okay? But you can see the average conversion is above 100 US dollars, which is really great. Why? Because one person will break even your ad spend. What do I mean by that? You see, my friend, as you watch this video, one person is going to buy entire funnel. Front end product, for example, for 50 US dollars, then the upsell for $200 or $69 extra, right? So that one person is going to make you your money back from what you're spending on the ads, and also give you the profit in the same day. Now, what I would usually do, I would not only choose by gravity, but I would go by lowest gravity, like 40, not highest. Why not? Because there is low competition, okay? You can see 55 is gravity, is really great. 120 US dollars per sale, affiliate commission, let's say, right? Over here, almost 130 US dollars per sale. This is the nail product, okay? It's very important to understand, is your audience high emotional state or low emotional state, okay? Now, if you have tried ClickBank before and if you have failed, it's not your fault, okay? Understand, I've been there as well. But what you have to understand, in 2025, you need to have someone so you can duplicate results and install the right method, so it's possible as well for you to make 100, 300, or even 500 or more dollars per day with affiliate marketing. But of course, having someone to hand holding you along the way, one-on-one, step by step, it's very important to get real, tangible results, sustainable income with affiliate marketing in 2025. Okay? Now, over here you can see what really works. Most of the people, right, if you go over here, you'll see. Most of the people are taught with ClickBank courses to create some kind of like weird, ugly images on the landing page, on the pre-sale page, or let's call it the bridge page, okay? Now that could work to get a lot of clicks, but it might not get you any sales. And it's not your fault if you have been following the wrong method, the outdated methods in 2024, okay? You have to understand you need to get people into the problem state and then move them through emotional states into the solution state where the conversions and sales are happening, okay? Look, have you ever been taught this? Short-term versus long-term thinking audiences, copy pattern interrupts, okay? Mechanisms, all these things, structure of the markets are really important to insert that, to install that into your ad copy and also into your pre-sale page, okay? So maybe you have been wondering why I'm not getting any sales on ClickBank, but the reason is maybe there was a strategy that was already missing, okay? There was a puzzle that was missing from the whole image. So once you have the big image, you step back, you have someone who can show you one-on-one, step-by-step, exactly how to do it, then you will finally, once for all, be able to start having results in 2025. Okay, you can see over here some of the results we are getting. You can see, look, with ClickBank affiliate marketing, right? Now over here, you can see one buyer can even get you to up to $300 or $500 per sale on ClickBank. So yes, you can make 500 or 300 US dollars from one sale, okay, in one day. It's doable, it's possible, because one person is going to buy, if you remember, as I said before, entire funnel. Okay, so you can see some of the results over here that are happening, and this can be also possible for you as you watch once we get up and running, of course. So everyone else is doing it wrong. Why? Because they don't create buyer's intent. You need intent, because if you get only curiosity, yes, your click-through rate is very high, lots of clicks on your landing page and ads, but there is no credit card swipes. Okay, no one swipe with their credit card. We say no one vote with their dollar. Okay, very important. So you can see over here, you need that, but what you need is someone to help you one-on-one, step-by-step, to hand-holding you and show you exactly in real time, live, how to do it exactly, step-by-step, okay? Set up the ad campaigns with you together so you can have the right winning scalable campaigns in 2025. Now, what you can do next is connect with me one-on-one. There are links below in the description, so connect with me. You can follow me, subscribe to YouTube channel for more helpful tips. You have my email, WhatsApp number, but only if you're serious, if you really want to take it to another level and get results with ClickBank affiliate marketing in 2025.